If you feel my video is helpful, you can click subscribe and then click here, and then list share. You can list share my video tutorial to Blogger, Google Plus, Facebook, Twitter. Okay. Hello everyone. Welcome to my lesson about AutoCAD tutorials for beginners. Lesson 7. Team commands. Okay. Now you open AutoCAD. So how to activate this command? To activate. Okay. The first way you can click here icon team command. Click here to activate this command. Okay. So second way, you can use shortcuts. AutoCAD default shortcut team command TR enter, activate this command. Okay, very easy. So we do practice this command. Now you look on screen. I have a Trump's object. Now if you want to trim lines here, like this side, you type TR enter, select object, enter, select object, trim to trim. Okay, enter. Very easy. So again TR enter, select object, enter, select object to trims, trim. Okay, very easy. If you click here, no stream. Okay, no stream. Okay, enter. So you can TR enter, select on, enter, click here, click here. Click here, click here. Okay. Click here. Very easy. Okay, continue practice. Now you can trim circle. TR click here. Also again TR click here, enter, select. Okay. Create door on plan. Again TR enter, select, enter, trim object, open door. Okay, very easy. So listen today to the end here. If you feel this video is helpful, you can subscribe, like and share my video to everyone. Thank you so much.